Okay, now look at the question on the board. It says, given the progressive wave equation, y is equal to 5 sine, open a bracket, 2000 pi t minus 0.4x. Calculate the wavelength. Whenever you see a question like this, x here always stands for distance. S always stands for what? Distance. Now, had it been you were asked to find amplitude, for instance, anytime you have something like this, you always compare. Now, looking at this equation now, if you compare, which equation of motion is this? They say wavelength. The equation of motion where we have wavelength is in equation what? Is it equation 2 or equation 3? We have wavelength in equation 2 and we have wavelength in equation what? 3. But let's use equation 3 here. Did you get? You can still use equation 1 here. Yes. You can still use equation what? 1. You can still use equation 2. You can still use equation what? 3. Now, solution. We have y equal to 5 bracket 2000 pi t minus 0.4x. Comparing with equation, we're going with 3, right? Equation 3. Y equal to a sine bracket 2 pi, equation 3 has 2 pi vt over lambda minus 2 pi x over lambda, right? Good. Now, had it been you're asked to find amplitude here, let me show you something. What do? Comparing this, oh, I didn't put sign here. In the question. We have sine bracket 2000 pi t minus 0.4x. Had it been we are asked to find amplitude, what do? You simply say a sine equal to 5 sine. What do? Make a subject of formula. A equal to 5 sine over sine. Sine will cancel out. A equal to 5. If you are asked to find amplitude. But we have no business with amplitude here. Our business here is what? Wavelength. Is wavelength. How then do we find wavelength? Don't forget that kx is equal to 2 pi x over lambda, right? Kx is equal to what? 2 pi x over lambda. And this is also equal to 0.4x given to us in the equation. What then do we do? Over there, or let me start down here. So what do? That is kx over lambda equal to 0.4x. Since it's equal to that, something we cancel out here. What is that? X we cancel out here. So over there, we're going to have what? 2 pi over lambda equal to 0.4. So 2 pi over lambda equal to 0.4 over 1. Now cross multiply, we're going to have 0.4 lambda equals to 2 pi. Make lambda subject of formula. Lambda equals to 2 times 22 over 7 is pi, right? Over 1 or over 4 over 10 is 0.4, right? So lambda is equals to, if you have a calculator, you can still solve straight. But because JAMB, I don't know about your calculator in JAMB. So now, learn how to solve manually. With your calculator, you can do better. So 2 times 22 will give us 44, right? Over 7 or over 4 over 10, which is 44 over 7 divided by 4 over 10. So this is equal to 44 over 7 times 10 over 4. Now, what do you have here? 440, right? And this will give us what? Are you sure? Are you sure? 28. What do you have total? What do you have total? 15.7. Is it 7 or 7.1? 7.1. So approximately 15.7 cm. That is lambda. So that means our answer is what? B, because in B we have 15.7. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.